What if I told you the next big tech revolution doesn't even have a screen? It's not a phone, it's not a pair of smart glasses, and no, it's not wearable. It's something completely new. OpenAI is working on a mysterious new AI device in collaboration with the legendary designer behind the iPhone. And they believe this device could fundamentally change how we interact with technology in our daily lives. A device so discreet, so intelligent, it might become your most essential tech, without you even noticing it. Let's unpack what's really going on. In one of the boldest moves in recent tech history, OpenAI acquired a hardware startup called I.O., founded by none other than Jony Ive, for $6.5 billion in stock. Yes, Jony Ive, the same visionary who co-created the iPhone, the iMac, the iPad, the Apple Watch. Together, he and Sam Altman, CEO of OpenAI, are working on what they call the future of computing, AI-native devices. Not just smarter versions of what we already have, but something fundamentally different. Their goal? Replace old habits and reimagine how we live, work, and think with AI all around us. So what exactly is this device? According to leaked internal discussions, it's pocket-sized, screenless, and context-aware. It's not worn. It's not meant to be stared at. Sam Altman described it as your third essential device, alongside your phone and your laptop. But this one isn't about apps or taps. It's about presence. It listens. It understands. It responds. It adapts to your environment. Placed on your desk, pinned on your shirt, or tucked in your pocket, it simply knows when you need it, and when you don't. The goal isn't more screen time, it's less. Less distraction, more flow. A truly ambient interface, driven by AI, built to blend into your life. No alerts, no swiping, just intelligence, calmly standing by. That's not just innovation, that's evolution. Of course, we've seen screenless devices before, and many of them failed, hard. The humane AI pin, hyped, but overheated. Buggy, confusing, nearly $700. The Rabbit R1, eye-catching design, but underwhelming software. Both promised an AI-first experience, both disappointed. So why should we expect something different now? Well, OpenAI already leads in AI intelligence. GPT-4, GPT-4o, Whisper, DALL-E. They build the brains. And Jony Ive, he's built the bodies, the most beloved hardware products of the last 2 decades. This time, it's different, because the team isn't just bolting AI onto a device. They're designing a device for AI, from the ground up. That shift changes everything. Let's bring this to life. You're cooking dinner. You say, "What can I make with what's in the fridge?" The device sees, or knows, what you have. It recommends a recipe, step by step, hands-free. You're outside, going for a walk. It gently reminds you of your next meeting. It gives you directions, contextually. No need to pull out your phone, or maybe you meet someone at a party. You can't remember their name, but your device, with permission, recalls the last time you spoke and discreetly reminds you. Or at work, you're in a long meeting. You later ask, "What did Mark say about the Q3 strategy?" Instant answer, summarized, precise. This isn't fantasy. This is happening. It's memory, context, awareness, brought to you by a tiny device that fades into the background. But the Pocket AI device is just the first step. The grander vision is Ambient AI. Multiple intelligent devices, small and specialized, quietly working together to serve you. Your lamp knows your mood. Your desk assistant catches your voice cues. Your car syncs with your calendar. Your pendant answers your unspoken questions. The future isn't louder, it's smarter, less visible, more present. And OpenAI wants to lead us into that future. Even Apple, Google, and Meta will have to respond. Because if this works, it changes the rules for everyone. Now let's be realistic. There are real obstacles. Privacy. Always listening microphones raise concerns. Will users trust it? Will regulators accept it? Battery life, in a tiny form, is a real engineering challenge. If it's truly always on, it needs to last. And of course, the price. Will it cost $100? $400? More? If it's too expensive, mass adoption becomes a fantasy. If it's too cheap, it might not do enough. And then there's the social shift. Can we accept a world where AI doesn't just answer us, but understands us proactively? Those are huge questions. But OpenAI and Ive know this. They've seen the mistakes, and they're building with intention. OpenAI has an advantage few others can match: model supremacy, developer trust, global data. Every week, their models answer over 1 billion queries. That feedback improves the intelligence inside. They already have an ecosystem of apps and developers ready to build new skills for this device. Add Jony Ive's product brilliance to that mix, and suddenly, it's not just possible, it's probable. They're not reinventing the wheel. They're building the next platform, just like the iPhone did in 2007. We may look back in 5 years and realize this was the moment everything changed. Not with a bang, but with a whisper. An AI whisperer in your pocket that listens, thinks, and helps, without demanding your attention. So I ask you, would you trust an AI like that? Would you let it help? Would you want it? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. If this video made you think, please like it, subscribe, and share it with someone curious about the future. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.